So one of hashtag my four sons, happened to be the 6-year-old, asked me how drums make sound, right? How do they use to make music? And he had the idea that it had to do with the column of air that's inside. And actually, there are some little techniques that you can do with blocking the air to affect that. But I explained to him that really the skin or the drum head is vibrating, and so then that also vibrates the air. And so you can kind of imagine that, but we can hopefully visualize it. Let's see. This is a little salt. Hey, look, 0 calories. Anyway, let's see if we can see that. So you can see that the area that vibrated the most, which would be in general what we call an anti-node, that it actually was going up and down. And there's some more complications there if you get a better view of it. But in general, where it was vibrating the most would have been moving violently, and so it would give that energy to the salt crystals, and then the salt crystals are going to move to the safe spot, right? And these are forced nodes on the side along the rim, and so there, of course, would be no motion there. And so you can see this general plane going up and down and vibrating. So, more complexity can be found in there, but that's the basic idea. Now the question arises, how the heck are we going to get this salt out of there? Well, I'll show you.